So how can you use the Apple Watch for your heart, right? A lot of people get the Apple Watch as a fitness tracker. And so let me just dive into the features and things you can do. So naturally, the heart rate sensor and monitor is built into the backside of the Apple Watch. So the first thing you need to do is to ensure you wear your Apple Watch comfortably, but not too loose on your wrist, right? If your Apple Watch can move freely across your forearm, or if it's not tight enough, then the measurements will not be as accurate as they should be. And sometimes the measurement may not even work, right? So this is something to pay attention to. Make sure it fits nicely on your wrist. But then some things are collected in the background even without you having to do anything, right? So the Apple Watch will randomly perform a heart rate measurement, and you will, based on that, everything is happening in the background. And based on that, you get calculated the calories burned throughout the days and the exercise minutes, the stand hours, everything is measured by the heart rate, which just randomly throughout the day measures the stuff. If you, for example, open up the workout app and start any kind of workout, it might be running, walking, whatever it is, during the period of the workout, it will track the entire time. So this is useful because the watch will then know exactly how many calories you burn, what's your heart rate during the entire period, not just randomly checking, but during the whole time. So just keep that in mind. And also make sure to check out the other features like the heart rate app on the Apple Watch, which is like this little red circle with a little heart on it. And when you get inside, you can then manually initiate the heart rate measurement. But also, if you swipe up, you can check out the history, like the range for the day. You can see some charts for your recovery of the heart and like the walking average and stuff like that. Just explore the data. But I would say that to get the most out of it, just wear the Apple Watch throughout the whole day. And then you can also use the iPhone's health app where all of the data gets synced. And there you can check out some other details and all of the data is there. So it's very useful. So just make sure to do that, and that's how you can use it. Also, outside of that, you have the ECG app, which is a little different, which only works in a few selected regions, is not like available worldwide, but it is an app which tracks the irregular heart rhythm. So that might be useful as well. Just go through the settings and set it up properly. But yeah, these are most of the things which you can do in terms of your heart for the Apple Watch. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, or this guide. If you like this, leave a thumbs up to let me know. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one. I just dive into heart rate zones and so many other things here on the channel. So go ahead and check it out and subscribe if you like what you see. And I'll see you later in the next video.